Hey there YouTube. Today I'm doing a video review after about 1 year of use on this AMO utility trailer. This is a 12-foot long by, right about 76. So it's 76 inches wide at the bottom. And the usable space until you hit the gate is actually 12 3/4. And the sides from the base of the wood is 12 1/4 inches. It's just for light landscaping stuff. There's a ram jack there. I put this box on it. Probably one of the best decisions I've made. Really handy to have a box on there. So far this trailer has been holding up pretty good for a year. Just a few things I wanted to mention. I put this 1x12 board on here because if you have anything in here like boards and you slam on your brakes, you don't want it to all slam into the back of your car. So I have one regret, and that is not getting the one with the wooden sides. I was being cheap. Trip to Menards though, maybe 20 bucks worth of clamps and I don't know, $15 board, and that was fixed. Got the one with the black tires. Thought they might not show dirt as much. Still not sure if that was a good decision. Looks kind of weird with black tires when I look at it. White tires are your classic look. Plus, if I ever need to replace these, like if this one blows out when I'm on a trip, I'm just going to put a white tire on it. Then I'm going to have a white tire and a black tire, so it's going to look funny. And that's like if all the tire places are closed and I have to buy a tire at Family Farm at home or something. This one has Rainier ST tires on it. I haven't lost a PSI of pressure in these. They're very good for what they are. I've taken this up to the UP twice now. So, I don't know, I guess they only got like 2,000 miles on them. But, again, this is a cheap utility trailer for light use. And it has this, I forget what it's called. It's like a system that you can use to bolt things onto the side of this. It's only got one of these on it. The other side is just a triangle. So this is for getting a spare tire mount that they sell. It's 50 bucks for the spare tire mount. I kind of wish I would have bought it. When I go down there to get the gate squared away, I'll get the spare tire carrier. But it's kind of scary not having a spare. This came off on the highway, so those screws must not have been in there too tight. So I'll probably end up just replacing these with LEDs. These latches, I was a little scared about them not having a lock, but they've actually held pretty good. When the wind hits them, they kind of move a little bit. So if you're concerned about that, maybe just, I don't know, find some way to clip it down and hold it. Here's the gate. The gate's been strong. Holds up a Razor 800 just fine. I'm actually recording this video in case I have to exchange this trailer because I'm under warranty, and I called them about this and they said they'd take a look at it. The diamond plating was put on backwards, so when you stand on this, your feet just slide on down it if they're wet. You'll see that this edge should be facing the other way to kind of catch your feet, you know, as you're walking on it. I'll just put the tailgate down. So, you can see here what I mean. This bar should be going under this one. So this should be on the top. Because what happens, put your foot on here, and it just slides right down. Whereas if it was the other way, like this, you would have grip. It's harder to do it. I hit this ramp at pretty good speed on a Razor and it didn't bow at all, so I figure it'll do just fine with lawn equipment. It does not have a slope back, so your deck might hit if you have a zero turn, so keep that in mind. It does have Zerk fittings under here to grease these. Alright. It does have grease Zerks under here. And these were completely empty on one side, so I had to grease them up. As far as the underside, it's not the strongest design. It's just got the crossbars going across there, T-bars. Shoot, they're not even T-bars. There's L brackets going across, so it's worked for my needs though. And here's all the stickers and stuff if you're curious. I paid $19.99 plus tax for this in 2023. I do notice every year it's a little bit cheaper in the winter, so right now they're actually $17.99. So keep that in mind if you need one of these. You know, don't wait, it'll cost you 200 bucks more like it did me. I actually replaced an old trailer, a really crappy homemade trailer, with this one. And I sold the homemade one for 800 bucks after buying it for 800 bucks a few years ago. And it had like Balder tires, and I was really honest about it in the listing too, and someone bought it. So yeah, I figure I'll probably have this trailer for a very long time. So for the price, it's not bad. And if anything happens, if a wheel falls off or it cracks in half, I'll update this video comments. I'll post another video probably. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, in the front it's got one hook, so you can hook your straps on the underside of these, but it could definitely use some more tie-down points. And I did hit the fender right here with a zero turn, and that weld didn't break even though I hit it pretty hard. So, but yeah, that's all I got. Thanks for watching.